So let's take a look at the seats that David gave us. These are seats supposedly out of a 1980s era Mustang. They've got seat covers on them. I have no idea what the condition of these seats are. So I'm going to peel off these covers and let's take a look at what we have. See if they could be salvaged. And also I'm going to compare to see if they could be bolted into the car. I'm not sure that we'll be able to bolt them into the car without any major modification. I'll have to compare these to the original Comet seats. My Comet seats are completely destroyed. Maybe these could work. It's certainly worth a try. So let's take these seat covers off and see if there's anything worth salvaging. Okay, well here are these seats uncovered and a little bit rougher than what I was hoping for. Obviously these cannot be painted. I was going to dye the seats like I did my back seat. These are a little too far gone. And but having said that, they were in way better shape than my Comet seats. My Comet seats have absolutely, there's nothing left of the foam. The foam is just disintegrating. These seats, if I could bolt them in, I could put a black skin seat cover, better than the one that was on there. One of those fake vinyl ones. I think these would work. I like the shape of them. They're too far gone to be painted, obviously. A little bit disappointing, but they were free. And dilemma now is, will they bolt in the same as the original Comet seats? I don't think they will. But let's get them over to, let's go over to P Street and let's compare these seats with the old seats and try to figure something out. I want to get some seats in this car. So let's do that today. Here's a comparison to the two seats. The 62 Comet seats, as I mentioned, are completely trashed. And like I mentioned 100 times, my foam and skins from Eckler's, it's been months and months and months and nothing's coming. These are the seats I got from David. They're not perfect, but they would have worked fantastic. The problem is, I took a few rough measurements and everything is so different. Even if I could take these out and slide them in here, I don't know if anything's compatible. The dimensions are different. Unfortunately, these are not going to work. I'm going to have to bolt this old thing in here for now, which I didn't want to do. But I'm going to bolt this in. At least I'll throw a skin on there. Absolutely hideous, ridiculous, really. But at least I'll have something to sit on. And yeah, I'll just get rid of all that. And yeah. Unfortunately, I got to move on with this. It's not what I wanted to do, but that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I got some brand new hardware on my old seats. I am putting the old seats back in the car, like I just said. For now, anyway. I went and I bought some of these wonderful, you know what I'm going to show you. These seat skins. They look amazing on the box and they usually don't fit very good. But I'm going to slip that over these old seats. Try to make it a little bit presentable. This is going to be a temporary solution, but the 80s seat, although they were good, I would have used them. They weren't good enough to the point that I was going to re-drill new holes and make new hardware. So I'm going to go with the existing until my foams and skins come in, if they ever come in one day. And this is going to be my solution. Let's get one of these slipped on, see what it looks like, and let's get the seat installed in the car. All right, well, there it is. And this is exactly what I did not want. I did not want to have to do this. But I do want to get the seat in the car, because I do want to try to start the car and take it for a spin at some point in the future. These are what they are. I mean, what can you do? But I'm going to go with this for now. Let's get this bolted in and see what it looks like. Okay, let's do the same thing to the passenger seat. This one should fit a little better. It's actually in much better shape. All right, let's get the new hardware on. Let's get the skin on. Let's see what this looks like when we're done. Probably look like crap, but it's all I have for now. Okay, well, here we are. Again, not my first choice, but it is what it is. There's no available covers for this car. The 80s seats did not fit. So at least for now, I've got a place to sit. And this will be temporary. Someday I will get my parts and I can rebuild these seats properly. But for now, this will be okay. Place to sit.